The Chevrolet Equinox receives a decent overhaul for 2025. Gone are the soft curves, replaced by a bolder, boxier design, upgraded technology, and a fresh emphasis on modern style. With this redesign, Chevrolet aims to shake up the competitive compact SUV segment. So let's look at 10 things you need to know before buying the 2025 Chevrolet Equinox. The Equinox keeps things straightforward with a single engine option, a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder pumping out 175 horsepower. While it won't set any speed records, expect enough pep for daily driving and highway merges. The transmission choices are where things get interesting. Front-wheel drive models use a continuously variable transmission for maximum fuel efficiency, while opting for all-wheel drive, which gives you a more traditional 8-speed automatic. The upgraded transmissions should provide smoother and more responsive driving than previous models. The Equinox should be a reasonably fun car to ride without feeling too over the top. Chevrolet takes safety seriously, and the Equinox is loaded with standard safety tech. The Chevy Safety Assist package goes beyond the basics with features like automatic emergency braking, which can detect potential collisions and apply the brakes for you, and front pedestrian braking, specifically designed to protect pedestrians. Lane Keep Assist with lane departure. Warning warns you if you drift and can provide gentle steering assistance, while the following distance indicator helps you maintain a safe gap behind other vehicles. Higher trim levels are expected to offer additional features like blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and rear cross-traffic alert, solidifying its position as a safety-conscious family SUV. While crash test results are not yet available, Chevrolet's track record suggests the 2025 Equinox should perform well in safety evaluations. Love it or hate it, the redesigned Equinox makes a dramatic style statement. Gone are the soft curves of its predecessor, replaced by a significantly boxier, more muscular stance. This new design language emphasizes width, with a wide, almost imposing grille and squared-off wheel arches. Slim, modern LED headlights and taillights stretch horizontally, emphasizing Equinox's broader footprint and adding a touch of futuristic flair. Chevrolet cleverly plays with proportions and textures to break up the larger visual mass. A prominent C-pillar with a shark fin design adds dynamism, while contrasting trim pieces on the bumpers and rocker panels create visual interest. Various trim levels offer distinct grilles, wheel designs, ranging from 17 inches to 20A, and even two-tone paint options, allowing for a wide range of personalization. The sporty RS trim leans into a more aggressive aesthetic, with blacked-out accents and unique wheel designs, while the all-new Active trim emphasizes ruggedness with all-terrain tires and a contrasting white roof option. Whether you crave a touch of urban sophistication or off-road inspired flair, there's likely an Equinox flavor to suit your taste. The Equinox prioritizes a roomy cabin with generous cargo space. The fresh, contemporary interior design boasts attractive materials and a thoughtful balance of physical and digital controls. Cloth upholstery comes standard, with optional faux leather upgrades, while the top-spec Active trim features a unique blend of vinyl and microfiber for a more upscale feel. Practical design shines through with details like the column-mounted shift lever, which maximizes storage space in the center console. Here you'll find a rotary knob controller for the infotainment system, a convenient optional wireless smartphone charger, and cup holders. A hidden storage compartment under the cargo floor also provides extra space for valuables. Overall, Equinox strikes a pleasing balance between style, comfort, and everyday practicality. Equinox takes a significant leap forward in technology with its Infotainment Command Center. A large 11.3-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, angled slightly towards the driver for improved visibility and ease of use. This screen runs Chevrolet's latest Google-based infotainment system, a huge upgrade offering seamless integration of Google Maps for navigation, the convenience of Google Assistant, and the ability to connect to a Wi-Fi hotspot. Facing the driver is a customizable 11.0-inch digital gauge cluster. This allows you to tailor the display to show the information that matters most to you, whether it's speed, fuel economy, or driver assistance system status. Expect the system to be intuitive and responsive, with crisp graphics and clear menus, contributing to an overall modern feel within the cabin. Chevrolet aims to find the sweet spot between a comfortable ride and engaging handling with the Equinox. Its redesigned platform is expected to be stiffer than the outgoing model, contributing to better stability and reduced body roll around corners. The engineers have focused on minimizing road noise and vibrations for a smoother, quieter ride. While the Equinox likely won't be mistaken for a sports sedan, it should feel composed and predictable in everyday driving. Steering is anticipated to be direct and communicative enough for the average commuter. Initial impressions suggest that Chevrolet has prioritized a refined driving experience over outright sportiness. Higher trims with larger wheels may offer a slightly firmer ride, but overall, the Equinox leans toward comfort rather than razor-sharp handling. Chevrolet hasn't released official fuel economy numbers for the 2025 Equinox. However, given that the engine is carried over from the outgoing model, we can make some educated estimates. The current front-wheel drive Equinox with the same engine achieves an EPA estimated 26 miles per gallon in the city, 31 miles per gallon on the highway, and 28 miles per gallon combined. These figures are competitive within the segment, but not class-leading. The addition of CVTs to all front-wheel drive models could provide a slight improvement in fuel efficiency. However, real-world conditions and driving habits will ultimately determine your fuel economy. Those opting for all-wheel drive models should expect slightly lower figures due to the added weight and complexity of the system. Official pricing for the 2025 Chevrolet Equinox remains unavailable. However, the expected starting price is around $30,000, with higher trim levels probably pushing well into the $35,000 range. Chevrolet aims to deliver strong value with the 2025 Equinox. Its long list of standard safety features, spacious interior, and modern technology should appeal to budget-conscious buyers seeking a well-equipped compact SUV. However, it's worth considering that other models in the segment may offer additional features like hybrid or plug-in hybrid powertrains or slightly more premium materials for a similar price. The Equinox caters to light-duty towing needs. When equipped with the available all-wheel drive system, it boasts a maximum towing capacity of 1,500 pounds. This should be sufficient for hauling a small trailer, a couple of jet skis, or perhaps a compact pop-up camper. However, if you're planning on regularly towing heavier loads, the Equinox might fall short. Chevrolet's standard warranty for the Equinox is expected to mirror its other models, such as a bumper-to-bumper limited warranty for 3 years or 36,000 miles. The powertrain should get a 5 years or 60,000 miles limited warranty. This coverage is on par with most competitors, but falls short of the exceptional warranties offered by the likes of Hyundai and Kia. While the 2025 Equinox is too new for specific reliability predictions, we can look at JD Power ratings for Chevrolet as a brand. Chevrolet typically ranks in the middle of the pack for reliability, indicating average dependability.